Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Mangla from Skin Mantra. Today I'll be discussing about the sensitive skin. It is one of the most common complaints that patients generally come to our center with. So sensitive skin, it is not a medical diagnosis, but it is a term which is often used by the patients to describe their skin condition as the reduced tolerance to the skincare products or the cosmetics. Such patients, they come to our center with a big bag with loads of products in it, and they say, ma'am, we have tried this, we have tried that, but nothing suits our skin, so please recommend us something which we can use for a longer period of time and which will not give any reaction to our skin. Believe me, it is a very distressing condition for the patients, and such patients, they never experiment with their skin. Once any product suits them, they keep on using the product for a longer period of time. 50% of the women and 40% of the men, they have a sensitive skin. Now, coming to the cause of the sensitive skin. So, it is postulated that it is a hypersensitivity reaction of the nerve fibers innervating the epidermis. Coming to the signs and symptoms of the sensitive skin, such patients, they come to the center saying, we have a irritable skin, we get redness, dryness, itching and burning of the skin. As clinicians or as dermatologists, we see erythema, which means the redness of the skin. Then we see chapping of the skin, the urticarial reactions, in layman or the Hindi, what we call it as the Dafod ka reaction. We see peeling of the skin, and this usually happens on the face, but sensitive skin can be anywhere on the body. Now coming to the do's and don'ts of the sensitive skin, means what you should not do and what you should do if you have a sensitive skin. Starting with the don'ts first, you should avoid soap or the foaming cleansers, avoid bleaching, scrubbing, hot towels, steam, sauna, avoid alcohol, avoid coloring your hair, then avoid retinoid containing products in your routine. And coming to the do's, what you should do is you should hydrate your skin well. In hydration, what I want to emphasize is number one, you can use a light moisturizer. Avoid using heavy creams if you have a sensitive skin. Second, what you can do, like if you are sitting in an AC room, then you can always keep a bowl of water in your room. So the AC will act as a humidifier that will prevent further drying of the skin. Second, you should always use a soap-free cleanser twice daily. Third, use a sunscreen, which is mandatory. So again, 2 points to be emphasized on using the sunscreen. Always apply it on top of the moisturizer, and the moisturizer should be a light moisturizer. The sunscreen should be reapplied every 3 hours and should be applied 15 minutes before you step out in the sun. Second most important point is try to use a physical sunscreen rather than a chemical sunscreen if you have a sensitive skin. And that's all. In case if you still get a sensitive skin in spite of taking all these precautions, then you should visit your dermatologist, who will find out the cause of the sensitive skin, who will give you appropriate skincare regime and will give you the appropriate treatment for the same. I hope the session would be useful for you. In case you have any queries, you can always mail me. In case any questions and you want me to discuss any other topic, you can always let me know. I would love to do that. And thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Thank you very much.